Today is Monday, July 10th. This is the 1976 one-year only Cadillac Eldorado Hydro Booster. This is for my friend Jesus in Sarasota. And this will be going out as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is a totally rebuilt, fully restored, show quality combination unit comprising the first generation Hydro Booster as well as the master cylinder as a completely assembled embodiment. It includes the spring-loaded accumulator and the Bendix casting, which is specific and unique as the identifier for 1976, unlike the other smaller units used in the legacy Eldorados in 77 and 78. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage items for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorado, over 375,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items such as these first generation and second generation Hydro Boost braking assist systems for the braking system. Thank you very kindly. Today is Monday, July 10th. This is George in Florida.